Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I really don't like the weather forecast for today. We're looking at, it says intermittent rain all day long, and the wind is really supposed to start picking up after a couple hours. So I don't want to get out in open water and get caught in that. So today we're going to be fishing in the catacombs for sheephead. I've been under here before. I've caught sheephead, and I've also tangled with some very large black drums, so it should be interesting. But I've got my kayak down to the sheephead configuration. I got my bumpers on, stripped it down of depth finder and all that stuff, so I don't beat too much stuff on my kayak up if I get towed around in here. I also wanted to say that I opened my own online store, and I started making my own decals from artwork that I do. Some of you may have seen the drum video where I painted the drum in watercolor, but I've done two fish. I've got a sheephead decal, and I've got a speckled trout decal right now available on my store, www.muddycrabfishing.com. So if you guys are interested, just stop by in the description below and click on the link and check it out. So anyway, let's get to fishing. All right, guys, one of the reasons why I chose this spot was, like I said before, because of the weather, and number two, because of the heat that we've been having down here. The heat down here has been absolutely just off the chain. So fishing up underneath this structure affords me the ability to stay out of the heat and stay out of the rain if we get intermittent rains. And since I'm in the harbor, there are pretty much pilings everywhere with boats and stuff, so if I feel like it, I can zip out there, hit some pilings. The weather starts looking bad, I can come back up under here. Oh boy, just enough head clearing. Oh, first dinner guest, hard head catfish. All right, guys, that last hard head I caught, he slipped out of my grabbers and he broke his spine off in my hand, in my finger. It doesn't look like much, but man, it hurts. I had to use my pliers to pull it out. Stupid hard head. Oh. There we go. Guys, that one there was in that little spot of daylight. I don't know. And I wasn't really very close to the wall either. I guess he was just swimming around there where he could see. Come on. Lord mercy. Alrighty, catacomb sheephead. I knew they were in here. It was kind of hard to find them though. There he is. Ain't no sunny spot. Yeah, brother. And I got some water on the lens. Whew, technical difficulty. I think he is plenty big enough. More for y'all. Sheep's head in the dark. Pretty much all I'm doing is I'm finding these gaps in this seawall, and since sheephead are primarily sight hunters, they have very good eyesight. I'm just coming to these light spots and dropping my bait straight down to the bottom, and I'm just slowly jigging it up and down. Judging by the waves they're coming in, oh, missed me. Judging by the waves that are coming in and what it looks like through that little gap right there, I made a good decision to stay inside the harbor, because it looks terrible out there. I've already caught a couple and lost a couple, so I think we're doing all right. All right, ladies and gents, Mr. Redfish. Buddy, come on. Hello, Mr. in the dark redfish. Alright, I think this one's gonna be a shorty. Go ahead and pin him. Oh Lord. Tight quarters here, fellas. Tight quarters. Oh boy. Oh guys. I may have another short. I'll do a measure up just to make sure. I'm thinking he's probably a shorty. Oh yeah. All right, buddy. I don't know whether the tide's gotten more favorable or not, or the pressure's doing anything, but they seem to have started to bite. Oh man, guys, I think that's probably the smallest sheephead I've ever caught. This dude is an absolute midget. Or should I say little person. I tell you, man, today is the day to get stabbed, prodded, poked, caught. All right, dude, you done stabbed me in my foot. We're gonna let you go, I promise. Well, the first two were keepers, and then pretty much a bunch of smalls after that. I might have to go maybe a little bit deeper. I'm pretty shallow. There's only about maybe 3.5 feet of water here. There he is. That looks like a better one. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Going backwards. Oh, yeah. Woo. You sneaky sucker. This one stole like 2 crabs off of me. Bumper system do its job. Well, I have noticed that it's gotten a lot darker, which means there's a lot more cloud cover out in the open. So there's definitely a lot less sunlight in here too, but I hope the film is still coming out okay, because they have started to pick up a little bit. All right, he's good. He's 14. Lunchtime. Crackers and Vienna sausages. Yum. Buddy. Got us a hefty one here. Really hefty. Oh yeah. Oh. Break my wrist. Woo. Goodness gravy. All right, which way did the hook go? All right, I'll figure that out later. Let's see what we got here. Alright guys, that's what we're after right there. You got a blue head? Yeah, you got a blue head, big old blue head. Good fish. Sweet. Nice redfish. All right, no pinball fishing, brother. No pinball fishing. Whew. Calm down. Go crazy. All right. There he is, guys. You're a hard fighter. Acting crazy down there. I thought you were going to take me on a sleigh ride for a minute. You're a little too small for a sleigh ride. Bye-bye. Oh, another redfish? Yeah. That's what I get for trying to hold you guys. I tell you what, I thought you were twice that size from the way you were fighting. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much going to do it for this episode of RHD Outdoors special bridge troll fishing edition, I guess. That's what you feel like when you're under here is a troll or something. Did okay. Caught some sheets, caught some redfish. It's been raining hard now for about 45 minutes, and I've been hiding under here waiting for it to stop, and it has stopped. So we are going to go ahead and take advantage of this. Head on back to the dock. Don't forget to check out my decals in the store in the link below. And until next time, guys, we'll see you on the water. I don't know what's on there, but he's probably pretty tired.